Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to write multiple lines in a single Excel cell. Now let's get started.
So here's the situation. Normally when you type something in a cell and press enter, Excel takes you to the next cell, but what if you want to stay in the same cell and just move to a new line? That's where the shortcut comes in. First select the cell where you want to add multiple lines, for example cell A1. Now start typing your first line of text. When you're ready to go to the next line, instead of pressing enter normally, do this. If you are on Windows, hold Alt and press enter. If you are on a Mac, press Ctrl plus Option plus return. And just like that, your cursor moves to a new line inside the same cell. Now you can type your second line. You can repeat the same shortcut again and again to add as many lines as you need. You can even leave blank lines if you want to create spacing. And here's a quick tip. You can do this directly inside the cell or up in the formula bar. The steps work exactly the same in both places. So just type your text, use the shortcut and keep building your lines. And that's the easiest way to write multiple lines in a single Excel cell.